wants us to get to insults. I think we are more capable than him. Can you please just tell him to withdraw that so-called Mickey Mouse commander-in-chief? Otherwise, he's not going to talk. And you can make him not to talk.
Take your seat now. Thank you.
Just tell him that, otherwise we'll come there for him now.
Honorable member,
we don't
take your
fear
seat.
him. He's useless.
Honorable member, take your
He's
seat.
very useless, man.
I'm switching off your mic
You
now.
think we...
Honorable member, take your seat. I've switched off your mic. Honorable Groenewald. Order. Order, honorable members. Order. Honorable Groenewald, you were here earlier where I read a lengthy ruling in terms of respect to one another. Can we maintain that, please, and not allow ourselves to be lured into a situation where we start throwing insults to one another? I want you to withdraw that remark, please.
With respect, Honorable Chair, he is a Mickey Mouse commander.
Honorable member,
And I will not...
honorable member, since you do not want to withdraw the remark, can you leave the podium, please?
That man is wanting to bring more.
Honorable member.
Honorable Chair, may I address you on this matter?
Honorable Groenewald.
Yeah, may I address you?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, this is the National Assembly. According to the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, there is only one Commander-in-Chief in this House. And that is the Honorable President of the Republic of South Africa. No one else can be a Commander-in-Chief.
Honorable Groenewald. Order. You have refused to withdraw the remark. Can you not...